Welcome to the Sonoran Desert species video where we'll be learning about carpenter bees. Many species of carpenter bee live all around North America, but there are 3 that live in the Sonoran Desert, where they prefer to live in foothills or desert valleys. These include the horsefly-like carpenter bee, the California carpenter bee, and the valley carpenter bee. In general, we can distinguish carpenter bees from bumblebees because of their shiny black abdomens. They're also different in the fact that carpenter bees don't live in hives, they are solitary bees, and they get their name from the way that they build their nest. They live in soft or dead wood. They vibrate their bodies and rasp their mandibles against the wood and create a tunnel where it can nest inside. Inside these tunnels, the bee will work back to front, depositing a storage of pollen, laying an egg, and sealing the cell with regurgitated wood. Over several weeks, the eggs will hatch, mature, and use the pollen as food until they become a fully fledged adult bee. The carpenter bee's diet is not actually wood. They eat the nectar and pollen from flowers. Like other types of bees, they prefer flowers that are open-faced, flat, or shallow. They love bright colors like yellow, purple, and blue, and flowers with a strong and sweet fragrance. Because of their love for flowers, carpenter bees are a very important pollinator in the Sonoran Desert. Not only do they pollinate a variety of local plants, but they are also important pollinators for more than 30% of our agricultural crops, including eggplants, tomatoes, and other vegetables. As a pollinator, the carpenter bee has all kinds of neat adaptations. The first one is buzz pollination. Some flowers have pollen that's difficult to reach. Using their powerful thoracic muscles, carpenter bees can vibrate their wings to shake the pollen out of the flowers. Another fascinating talent of the carpenter bee is nectar robbing. For long, tubular flowers where the bee can't climb inside to reach the nectar, they'll actually bite the base of the flower to eat the nectar from the bottom. Oftentimes, this means they eat the nectar without even pollinating the flower. Did you know bees actually have supervision? Even though humans can see more colors, bees can see ultraviolet light. Many patterns on flowers are invisible to humans, and these nectar bullseyes are visible only to animals like bees. This bee vision makes finding nectar much easier. Carpenter bees are truly fascinating creatures, and I hope you learned a little bit about why our Sonoran Desert would not be the same without them.